This is a Dumont cathode ray oscillograph, or oscilloscope. Now, I've wanted one for a while. I don't know how to use one. Well, I didn't know how to use one when I came up with the idea for the title, but I have now read a little bit, just enough so I know how to not break it, but I don't really know how to use it yet. Anyway, I bought this thing, and it's really nice because it came with its original manual, as you can see, which is very good. Helps me know how to not break it, and a whole book on how to use it, on how to use oscilloscopes and oscillographs. So that's neat, as well as lots of accessories and probes and things. Yeah, which is really neat, and it's in beautiful shape. It works, I'll show that. Yeah, and it was $50, which pretty good deal. Now, I don't actually know where my viewers are. I don't know what currency to convert that into to make it helpful for you. So let's just do Zimbabwe dollars. That comes to about 12,200 Zimbabwe dollars. And I actually have 1,000 Zimbabwe dollars there. There's a story about why I have this, but we won't go into that. It's not that interesting anyway. But yeah, I don't know where my viewers are mainly from, so yeah, you just have to figure out yourself. But yeah, again, it's a beautiful unit. It's actually American, which does pose two problems. It's 115 volts and it's 60 cycles. Now, the voltage is a quick fix there. Oh, and one other problem is, but American plugs are always terrifying for some reason, but this one is especially so because it's broken. As you can see, the edges, and that just exposes these live bits. So I think I have a spare American plug. I hope so. Might be Japanese. I know, I think it looks American. I think the Japanese one's about the same size. It's just a different voltage rating. But yeah, I think I have a spare one, so I'll change this over. But for now, it works. It just could kill you if you tried to unplug it. So I just won't touch it when it's actually powered up. This is not plugged in yet. But yeah, as for the cycles, there's nothing I can do about that really. It gets really fiddly and difficult, and it works fine anyway, at least for now. Although it does mean that it will be synced to 50 cycles, not 60 here. And this output is normally 60 cycles, but it isn't. That's probably why someone put tape over it. How it got here, I have no idea. But anyway, now we can power it up. I'll put, again, it has its original probe as well as plenty of others. Well, not plenty of others, I think 2 or 3 others, including one that doesn't even fit on it. So that's not particularly helpful. But this just clips on here. There. And actually, let's just turn it on first. So, I wanted to use a tripod thing so I can get a view of the screen. There we go. Now, plugging it in, and actually first turning it on, it has one of my favourite things, a bright indicator light, always nice. There, and then it will power on after. It takes a little bit. This cord is very stiff. But there you go. Get a nice green line. Oh, it's because I'm holding it. It does not like when I hold the probe. And as you can see, it works, but it's not very interesting, is it? Just looking at a line. I need to put some sort of signal into it. And that's why I have got a Walkman type device here. Funnily enough, this is the best one I have, not technically, but in the fact that it actually works. If you want a short video on all the Walkman and Walkman type devices I have that don't work for various reasons, I can create that too. But yeah, we'll be using this as the source for the wave thing. Yeah, that's the wave thing, the signal. Oh yeah, when I touch it, it goes all... Okay, there we go. Still because I'm touching it. There. Okay, let it go like that. And now I'll press play. And there you go. Cool signal. Again, I don't know what it means. I don't know how to use this thing yet. But I will learn, but there you go. You get cool signal. Which is... That's what an oscilloscope's for, right? It's just for making cool wavy things that look sort of sciencey. Anyway, that's enough of that. Oh, actually, let's leave it running. Oh. Must have just not been plugged in well. Anyway, I think that's enough of playing around. I will learn how to use this, and I think it'll be quite useful, hopefully. And again, it's just a beautiful thing. Still have no idea how it got here. But yeah. I'm so terrible at finishing videos. Never know when to finish. Then again, I suppose that's a problem everyone has. When do you finish? When do you stop? Well, when it comes to collecting art, you never do. Anyway, thanks for watching, and let's leave on this beautiful wave thing.